अच्छा सुनो, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और उसके बगल वाली घंटी को तो प्रेस करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना।
Hi guys, it's Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be all about summers, and I have created this makeup look for summer more, and this look is more on the neutral side and that warm and bronzy look. This look is created without using those foundation, because foundation in the summers make your face cakey, so I have skipped the foundation. I have used one product that is a medium coverage, but it works really good and gives you nice glow and subtle face. If you are walking out for college, work, school, so this look can be carried out everywhere you are going out for. So I'm going to tell you how to do this, but if you genuinely like this video, make sure you hit the like button that's down below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press that bell notification next to subscribe button that's also down below, so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And to share this video, I'm going to tell you the quick tips and tricks to make your skin more flawless and to avoid that cakey face, and how to prevent your face from getting cracked, and everything that off is further in this video. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'm going to tell you something that is beneficial for you guys, so keep watching till the end. Yes, without any further ado, we'll get started. This video is going to be all about your makeup and your skincare that is going to help you out in the summers to avoid making your face cakey. And if we use foundation, it's so obvious, we have sweat a lot, and the summers are mainly for the sweat only. So yes, I'm going to tell you a quick and simple trick to avoid that cakey face without using those foundations. So if you want to know what that trick and tip is to avoid your face being cakey during the summers, the summer is all here and we need to take care of our skin beautifully. I'm going to tell you a few tips and tricks using some makeup products. So this will help you not to get your face cakey, and here are few things that I'm going to show you and how to use those products. Do not use foundation guys, because the weather is so hot and you are going to sweat a lot, and that foundation is going to make your face cakey and that is not going to look good on you. So avoid using foundation if you're going out. So yes, I'm going to tell you the thing that is going to do wonders and will not make your face cakey. We are going to talk about some skincare, because the skincare is must to do, and the summers are going to make our skin dry. It is going to harm our skin, so for that purpose we need to use a moisturizer. After that we need to use a day cream or any cream that is for the day purpose, especially the sunscreen lotion. Do not skip this step guys, do not skip this step if you are moving out, and if as you are not moving out also, do not skip this step. Use sunscreen lotion a lot, especially on the parts where you have exposed to sunlight. Apply sunscreen on that portion of your body. Moving on, my moisturizer, I'm going to use this Nivea moisturizing cream. So basically I have normal and combination skin, so I'm not going to hydrate a lot. I apply it on my face. Moisturizer gives you very good hydration. Do not forget to apply moisturizer. If you have dry skin, then you prefer using a good moisturizer also, because moisturizer is just the basic This is even going to help not to make your face cakey, because the possibility is that you are going to get dryness. Heat is going to absorb by your body, so you have to apply a good amount of moisturizer to make your skin hydrated. Now I'm going to use a day cream. I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Light Cream. It's SPF 20 PA++. I'm going to apply it on my T-zones. You can definitely skip this step, but I would prefer that just use a day cream, because this helps you to enhance your skin and gives your skin more youthful finish. So use a day cream to make your skin more youthful. It brightens up your face. I'm using this cream from past 2 months now, and I absolutely love using this. This enhances up my skin the moment I apply it, and I ordered this from Nykaa. It's for about $8.50, and with this you get a day cream, a night cream, and a face wash. And a bonus is there, you get a massager also with that. So I'm not going to show you the massager tip, but do let me know if you want to see my skincare routine, or if you want a summer skincare routine. Please let me know in the comment section. And now we are going to move on to lips. Okay, this is going to be really important. I'm going to use this Vaseline jelly on my lips, because my lips really get dry. Here comes the skipping of the foundation. Do not use foundation, because that is going to make your face cakey. So for that purpose, you need to apply a CC cream. This CC cream is not going to give you that full coverage. It's going to give you medium coverage, but it is subtle and gives you a glowy skin. And I'm not going to use a beauty blender to blend out my CC cream, because your fingers does really great job in mixing. So use your fingers, use the tip of your fingers basically to mix and blend the cream in your skin. So I'm going to apply concealer. It's Age Rewind concealer. This step is optional. If you don't want to apply concealer on your daily basis, you can totally skip it. I prefer using a little bit of the concealer on my under eyes and around my mouth, because it is really dark. So I'm going to apply it. CC cream and my concealer in place, I'm going to use a matte finish compact, and this is Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. It works really good. I'm going to use this compact. For contour, I'm going to use this 4 matte blush palette by Nivea, and I'm going to pick that light shade from here just to contour. I prefer using cream contours and cream eyeshadows or cream blushes. Skip using those creamy products, because those creamy products are also going to make your face cakey. And go on with powder contours, powder blushes, and powder eyeshadows also. So yes, pick this shade right over here. Just going to contour my face. To bronze up my face further, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer. I'm not going to use any blushes today, because I want my face to look more bronzed, and I'm going to use this bronzer. I'm going to use this darker shade right over here. Moving on to eyes, I'm not going to make my eyes very heavy, so I'm going to use a little color on my eyes. So I'm using that same shade that I used for contour, and I'm going to build it on my crease area. Further, I'm going to take this bronzer and I'm going to pick this shade right over here, that lighter one. I'm going to apply it on my lids. I'm gonna use this Blue Heaven Kajal on my upper and lower waterline. Just to give my eyes and make my eyes look more bigger, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven sketch liner and going to apply it on the areas where I have applied kajal on my lower lash line. I'm just going to build it even more. And I'm just giving the illusion of a wing liner, but it is not a wing liner. Just extending it. Moving on to lips, I'm going to use this Lakme and Rich Lip Crayon, and I don't remember the shade of this. I'll put it in description bar. And if I haven't shown you any of the products in front of your camera, I'll put that everything in the description bar. So if you're wondering what I have used in this complete video, make sure you check out the description box. It's all there. It's kind of a pinkish color and perfect for these summers. Oh shit, I forgot to do my brows. For my brows, I'm going to use this Fashion Brow Pencil from Maybelline, and I'm just going to fill my brows super fast. For my lashes, I'm going to use this Oriflame Wide Open Mascara. I have reviewed this mascara on my blogs. The link is in description box, and so I'm going to coat my lashes with this today. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the bell notification also, and make sure you share this video with your friends, because and I am announcing a giveaway, and because April is my birthday month, so I'm going to give away few goodies and few skincare makeup, and it's all bunched up. So if you want to win that giveaway, make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends so that it can expand and everybody come and enter up the giveaway. So yes, do let everybody out there to know, and details will be in the description box, what are the procedure and how to enter up the giveaway. So this is going to be a 2 or 3 weeks time period for you guys to get to know me. And please follow me on Instagram for the daily updates, and on all my social media handles, it's in the description bar. Do check that out and follow me there, and the moment I'll get to that, more audience, more people are interested in the giveaway, if I see the response is positive. So hurry up guys, it is going to be super fun. I'm going to announce my first giveaway. I know that you are going to enter up the giveaway, so make sure that everybody out there is known about this giveaway. I'll link it everything in description box and also at the end of this video. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I'll see you super